Good morning, my beautiful people. How are you this morning, guys? It's early morning now, And see some of my chicken and fold them here come out for me to feed them. The cat is out. Everybody out early morning. Guys, look over into the sea. I'm going to give you to the sun. Here, taking time to come out. Give you a little peep over there in the ocean. Look there. Look at the sea there. Looking nice. Yeah, the bird them flying in the air as well. So this is my morning routine, guys. So I'm going to feed the fowl them first. And then after I feed the fowl them, I'm going into the garden to clean the scallion around, the wild bush around from the scallion. And then I'm going to water it. And then, guys, I have a little bit of surprise for you guys. So come ahead with me and let me show you some of my surprise. So I'm going to feed some of them. This is the feeding. So I'm going to feed some of them here, so. This is just some. So that's just some of them I'm feeding here. And I'm going to the fulcrum now, so. I'm going around the fulcrum now, guys. Guys, I'm lost for word. I'm completely lost for word this morning, guys. As you can see, I'm here in the duck pen, and honest to God, I'm so hurt right now. You know, say, she hatched a duckling yesterday, and I'm here this morning ready to show you guys the first time she will be hatching a duckling for me. And there's no duckling in the coop now, guys. It seems like either mongoose get in here or rat, guys. I'm so hurt right now. Honestly to God, I'm so hurt at the moment. I lost a word. A bit confused in my mind at the moment, guys. See, she picking up the honestly to God, I'm hurt. I didn't. The duckling. Oh my God. Guys, when I saw it yesterday morning and called my children them to us to look at the duckling for the whole day, I was just keep on coming down by the cove here to look at it. I know there's none in the cove. I even moved the pan with the water there to see if the duckling was there. I lost the word, honestly. I'm hurt. It's her second time she went on the eggs, and the first she went to ever hatch any. And you can see so she hurt. Look at her. You can see that she hurt, even though she's a duck. You can see that she know that she don't see her little young one. And I'm talking about the white one. The white one is the female. The black and white one is the male. Because that she know that she don't have it in the coop with her. I saw the thing yesterday evening. The little duckling sit beside her, even picking her feather. I can't believe these things are so vicious. And I want to find out, trying to see where in the coop. If it is mongoose or rat, where inside here they come. And get it last night. I even look on the ground to see if it dropped out by me. are completely lost and confused. I don't even know where food. Guys, I'm just gonna feed them and remove from the coop because honestly, I really hurt. And I know when my children them get up and I tell them there's no duckling in the coop, they're gonna devastate it. Oh boy, it kind of spoiled my morning. Honest to God, it's totally spoiled my morning. Totally spoiled me with my morning, guys. But I say I appreciate you guys, cause I can't come on the camera all the time being happy. I really hurt, and I take a lot of pride and time out with these animals. I love them. I love them bad. They're like a child to me. She have one more egg. She have one more egg. Oh my word. So I'm going over to the other coop because I'm totally lost. This is the other coop with the other big fowls them, the turkey. I don't set her yet. The turkey I don't set her as yet. So I'm going to try with her. But I need to get a next bigger coop here. Extend this one. You know? So that's all. I do it morning time. Get up early in the morning, try to feed them before I go off to work. And then I get down into the garden and try to get some work done before I go off to work. The bucket needs some more water, so I have to get them water. So guys, here so is the scale and them. I'm gonna clean out around them now. See the lot of bush around them. So you all can recognize the scallion bed. Sheila, hush now. Hush. Hush. Hush man. No hush. So boy. Guys, I hurt bad. But it's only because I have to feed them, you know. I don't turn back inside for weeks because I really hurt. To see, oh, I'm trying from the other day to get her hatch the egg them. And something really got into my coop. I eat off the egg, eat the duckling, let's say egg, the duckling. Why? I don't know. I hurt bad. You know, when a mother loses her child or a mother feel. Been a while I'm trying with her, you know. It's a wild bush or skin. Boy, where them grow up here, so right? Sometimes the grass them almost look like the scallion. It'll fool my eyes sometimes, man. Where you weeding out? I have some look call around them. I don't want to show them we are going to give it today. Over into the big coop today. The turkey them and the fowl them over in the big coop. Honestly, boy. You're doing something, man. Every time you're doing something, something stick in your back. My hurt, mama, cut up. and all I know. Really hurt. Cause me get up this morning, you know, I run for go feed them. I make sure so the little duckling get some feeding. Right? I get up to make sure say the duckling get something to eat as well. Why? My bex. My bex big time people. My bex. I have to go try sort out the cook better. I have to. So nothing cannot go inside here. Okay. I root up one of this, can I smell it? The top half piece of this one. So that take time I keep up. So I have to try and finish up this quick before the sun come out on me. When the sun come out, I can get this duck coming and stay in the sun at. The sun too hot for me. We done. I work in the sun at every day. I can't manage it right through so. Make me tired. Can't recognize some of it and the bush them cook. Why? Just the idea I clean it, you know. If you don't remember, if you watching me, my last episode I dropped on this year, my garden. And so when I was cleaning it, you couldn't see through it. The rain fall so fast. Most of the time that we get in rain, sometimes 3 times for the week, the rain comes. So faster the rain comes, the faster they grow up. You can see through it now, some of them. And a whole lot over this side here. Whole lot over this side here. Guys, this year now, can use this to make tea. I'm going to keep back some, make me tea. They say this name bitter man. They say, I don't drink it. So I'm going to put down some of this inside to make me tea later. And pick piece of mango leaf one time with it. And put it with it. They say name bitter man. And they say it's good for if you have kidney stone, it can help break up the kidney stone. So I'm going to put it inside. So I'm ready for my tea. I make it this morning with other bush. Guys, see it there now? The skill and them you can see through the bed. Yeah man, look how you can see through my skill and them nice, tall and pretty. But I have to went inside for my hat. Because the sun coming out, as you can see the sun coming out. Yeah, so I have this side here now going to do. I'll finish up this little side here. Then probably have to water them. Yes, people, so nice the garden look. Yeah, man, look at the spring onion. They look how nice they looking. You can see through them now. And the color them coming through them nicely. So, mine got destroyed. So, we're coming up this side here now. We're going to finish this row here. This is a guava tree. The big guava tree we'll move and put over there. Piece of root leaf back over here, guys. And see spring up back. A nice guava tree. So, my son, this time I'm going to move it, but we still make it stay there. Okay? We believe if we move it again, our next piece down there, it's going to pull up back again. So, make it stay on there. Yes, people, look there. You see scared and them nice actually. You can all recognize them a while ago. Look here guys, look at this scared and them. Look how you could see through them nicely now. Look there. Look how nice they is, boy. Look there. Oh my, this is what you call this now? A tree here? I can't remember in a pear tree. Yeah, that's a pear tree there. But look how nice I can see through my scallion bed. Yeah, man. Just take a little time with this man and finally clean it out again. You know, from time to time I have to keep on cleaning it. Yeah, man. So nice they're looking. You can see actually seeing them better. You can stay down in the kitchen now and look right through the bed. How nice they look there. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, look at my pine them. This is one pine here coming up nicely. This is the next one there. And a one here. And these me set them there. Them there. So I'm gonna put on the hose now and give them some water. And look at, you remember what I showing the guys who follow me? Follow me all the time and see. When I was showing you the planting, look how big the planting them come now. Yesterday I was telling my son, say, look there. They remember say a planting tree. They were taking forever. Look how nice they shoot up. Yeah, man. I think this is planting tree and banana tree take about 7 months. I was looking at it on the internet and they say it take up to 7 months to come up. And look there. Finally, I see the size of them come up nicely in the yard. So, I'm going to put on the water hose now to water the place. Come along with me. This is the front part of the yard. So, we're going to start off from the front here. You know, here so yesterday, this is the coconut. So this is the fun part of my house. Water coconut here, so I have some flower plant in between the wall. This is a pangana tree here, so. And this is 2 more coconut here, so again. The flowers are put over there, so when they come up, they come up nicely between them. This is the next coconut tree here. Turn down the hose the other way. Now the water shoot out from there. This is my flowers now. Flowers 3 between there. Next one between there. Next flowers 3 here, 7. And this is a cherry tree, guys. This is a cherry tree right here. So. And put flowers between them. Water on this side now, guys. The garden side, so these are the pine. Getting some water on them. The two small one up top there. Just give me a little water. This is my lime tree here. That's some mint to put there, next mint right there. So water in the scallion across there, so guys. Get the scallion them water. This rosemary here, so. Get some water on the scallion them. I water and everything this morning. The sun come out and I sweat like crazy. Just I water these one here, so. This is cashew banana tree over there, so. Just I water it a little. And the avocado tree. But most of the scallion them I'm giving them water right now. Rest of stuff them gonna stay till maybe later. Sun too hot. Guys, we're going to look if we see any dasheen or cocoa, whatever they call it. I think a cocoa this one here, Tanya. In here, because this one past the time, we're going to test it. So I see she bought some, our next new one there, next one over there, so we're going to test it and see if anything in there. Ain't no big time farmer yet, enough people. I'm just in the process of learning while I'm doing it. My first time planting this. Everything here is my first time. Anyway. First time. See? Not in there. So that's a waste of time putting it. So now I'm going to put it back in the ground. Now I'll put it back. Not even one. Chop off this part here and put it back. I'll cover it back and show some water on it when I finish. Not a thing in there, people, see? You see from March, I plant them, you know. Yeah, from March, I plant them. so I guess they take longer than what they must say. But oh, I'm going to know unless I test it from. I got test it. And so you're going to know the water is deep and it's a test it. So the first time, you just a plant and learn at the same time. You know, big time farmer, you know, people. So don't think I'm a big time farmer. I'm not. I'm just learning at it in while I'm doing it. Yeah. Yes, people. See me here, I'm sweaty. I pull on myself to go inside. But take me a nice cold shower. Yes, people. That's how you do it. If you have the land space, you plant up. You don't have to be a technically farmer to start to plant one and two stuff. Once you have little land space, you can just utilize the space where you have and do even a little gardening around it. And you kind of keep your mind occupied at the same time too. Because tell you the honest truth, I love come out here and come down in the farm. Pull up and it's almost every other day I just be in here. Every other day I just be in here around the fruit trees. Them I have to keep on pulling the wild grass them from around them. So the trees them can actually get the nutriment from the soil, because if I don't do that, they're gonna take forever to come. They're struggling, so I have to help them by removing them constantly, you know. So that is part of my exercise as well for me. Feeding my animal then give me joy again. Get up every morning, every day and see them. The fowl, the chicken, yeah, give me a peace of mind. The cat, the dog, them again make we laugh. They just give me a lot of comfort in the home. And where we live, we don't really got neighbor like that around us. Just want somebody close up beside me. The rest of people them is a little bit distant away from me. So like come me talking to them, looking over in the ocean, give you a peace of mind. Relax your mind, yeah. With all the frustration we going through in life, because each day in life, you know, we always go through something. And we have to keep the mind going. Get something to occupy, that's when I go off. As for me, I go through a lot, guys. And I always say one day, my son always encourage me, say, Mommy, you need to start your story. But guys, I've been coming from a far journey to reach here. And see myself on a YouTube channel and people coming on, it give me great joy, great pleasure. I don't want to get too emotional, guys, because I'm coming from a far journey. I'm coming from a death road journey twice, not just once, but twice. Financially journey, I'm broke. And while I'm broke right now, and the things I turn to give my comfort is doing my farm, my garden. People in St. Kitts who know me here, majority people know me as a businesswoman. I used to have an established business, and one morning I go there to work and my business was gone, disappeared, and it did not go by fire. Everything was just taken out from me, just like that. And for me to give you the insight, guys, I'll have to sit down day by day, little by little, and talk about it, because I cannot do it on one video. I just cannot. And my day through a journey, my blood was giving me a lot of problem. I didn't know at the time how to detox my body. Living here, you don't get much herbal bush like what I'm accustomed to. When I was living in Jamaica, no, when I used to go to the market, even my mother used to say she buy tonic and drinking it. I come here at a young age in my early 20s, so I didn't know aware of a lot of stuff. But you know, you're getting old and old, and the body start to develop different stuff. So I get sick, and my blood was giving me a warm time. I end up in the hospital, and the doctor said to me, all the sticks she sticking me, she wasn't finding any blood. At the time, I didn't know if I was to cry, I was to fret, what's supposed to do. And I just get the courage to turn my head to the Father and ask Him in my heart to just direct the doctor them, let they do what they have to do the right way. And she come to me and she said she have to send me to operation. She have to send me to the theater. And I said, no, I cannot. She said, Mom, you have to go to the theater. I get in emotion, guys. I get in emotion. Um, I'm gonna tell you about it into our next episode because it is very emotional for me at the moment. And I got to catch myself little by little, guys. I will give you a little bit more, maybe when I'm cooking, maybe when I'm doing something. I give you a little of my insight, guys. But guys, thank you again to watch my videos them, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Continue to grow my channel, and I appreciate it, guys. Continue, guys. And as I say, guys, if anybody out there like myself, having a little land space, a little yard space, and you don't do anything with it, just go out there and do a little gardening. Even to do a tomato, and the scallion them are easy to grow, very easy to grow. And if I tell you where I grow the scallion, you will be surprised to know. Even though you don't see my children yet face to face on the channel, they don't encourage me a lot. My daughter one day said to me, say, Mommy, I was cutting up the scallion. She said, Mommy, do it like this, Mommy. Cut off the scallion like this because that's the way Auntie cut them and then put it back into the earth to grow. I said, yes. That's how you grow the scallion. I didn't even know that. So, you know, even with children, they will learn from them. Even the small children, they will learn from them. Big, small. We learn from everybody. Big, old, young, everybody. And she's who really showed me how to grow the scallion, and that's where I started to grow my scallion from there. And I think we started about, I doing it over here now, but each time I do it, the monkey them will let us get to eat the best of it and destroy it. This is the best I'm getting now. The first time since I'm doing it over here, a year? No, 2 years. It gotta be 2 years. 2 years because 2 years now since I'm coming from operation. Operation is the next story again. I will tell you about that operation again into our next video, guys. But yeah, coming back now is my first time seeing my scallion coming up so nicely. Um, I'm hoping and praying that when I leave the home and we hope there in the daytime, the monkey don't come back and destroy my scallion for now. You know, guys. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap up the video, and y'all take care until the next time. It was a joy and pleasure for me to see you know guys coming on, inboxing, talking, and giving me the encouragement. Thank you again, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.